Hi guys, my name is Gavin, and this will be a simple tutorial on how to make a small hill in the Blender game engine. And I'm just going to get started. To start off, what we're going to do is double click the A button to select everything and hit X and delete. Let's then do spacebar and then add a plane in the middle. And once we have this plane, I'm going to hit S and then let's say 12 to scale it up 12 times overall. Next, hit 7 to go in the top view and go from object mode to edit mode. Click this face mode right here. And with our plane selected, let's do W subdivide, W subdivide, W subdivide, W subdivide. So this should make about 100 cubes in our plane right here. Alright, what we're going to do is hit A to deselect everything, and hit the letter B as in boy, and drag over a few sections of our map. Or of our plane, sorry. Once you have these small sections selected, hit the letter G for grab, and hit Z to do it on the Z axis. And you should see there are now some planes that are extruded like this. Double click the A button until everything is selected, and hit the smooth vertex button a couple of times. You can go back into object mode. If you look now though, you can see there's kind of a little bit of like you can kind of see the little bumps here and there. So just hit the smooth button a couple of times and those will pretty much go away. You've now got a simple hill. If you want to add a texture to this, what I'm going to do is you're going to right click down here, and do split area when you see these two arrows. And then you're going to go to UV image editor. Next, with your plane selected, go into edit mode, hit the A button until everything is selected, and hit U and then unwrap. Hit image and open image and grab a texture from your computer. I've already got one that's just going to be a dirt ground texture. And you should see it's going to show up over here. If you want to see it on your object, go from solid mode to texture. You can see it's right here with our bumpy ground. I'm going to scale it up just a little bit so we now have a little bit better, smaller textures. If we go back into object mode, we can see we've now got our small hill. And if we hit P to play, we can now see this. Alright guys, so that's an example of how to make a hill in Blender. I hope you found this useful.